Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm very excited. I'm doing something that I've had an interest in for a while, finally decided to just go for it. I'm going to take crumbs, scraps, also known as improv quilting, and I'm going to upcycle this denim jacket. Gifted to Ava from my sister, and I just thought it could use a little me. I will be taking all of these different scraps from various fabrics, all pretty much cotton, and I will be piecing them together and then sewing them down to a couple of the spots on the actual jacket. Before I get into the tutorial, I just want to show you guys this mini ironing board that I made. Very simple, pretty easy. I did use Mimi G's tutorial here on YouTube. I'll link that down below. I've done a lot of research, which for me is watching hours of YouTube tutorials, kind of learning the process, different techniques, and now I'm just ready to kind of dive in and start, and I'll just share how it goes with you all. Let's get started. I started by piecing each scrap to this piece here, starting with the red and kind of building it out. As I was going, I started losing my way a little bit. As again, this is my first time. So I decided to cut off a few pieces, and I realized it was better for me to kind of build the pieces out, sewing multiple scraps together, and then kind of building bigger pieces together and then sewing that on. So here are a few more that I'm working on. And then what I'm going to do is sew this to this bigger piece. And yeah, we should be in a good position to fill in. The biggest piece that I have to create is for the back piece of the denim jacket. We should be in a good spot to kind of build that out. Have all of my scraps sewn together. Love the way this turned out. I pretty much just pieced things, cut them up, re-pieced as I was trying to make sure everything kind of laid flat. So this is where I am right now. And this is the back center piece that I am working on. right, I am done all 5 of my pieces. So this is the back piece. Came out great, I love it. Here are my 2 back side panels. Looking great. And last but not least, my 2 front pieces. So everything is looking good. Made a big mess, of course, but not mad at that. And ready to sew these down to the jacket. Okay guys, we're all done. I have all 3 of my back pieces sewn in. Loving all of the colors, the mix of prints. The words that you see on the jacket, that is actually fabric that Ava made herself. And let me show you the 2 front panel pieces, because those are done as well. All right, so again, more of the wording that Ava created. And these are all scrap fabrics that I've had in my stash, and just decided to kind of pull them all together and create some magic just to add a little extra love. Thank you so much for watching. Please continue to like, comment, and subscribe. Really appreciate your support, and looking forward to the next video. All right.